Hey, what's up, YouTube family? I'm inviting you to come and take a Sunday ride with me and be a part of the New Guys Chronicle. We're going to start off in New Orleans East and head to a place that I think is really tranquil and serene, a place where nature and motorcycling just really makes sense. I'm the night rider, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And again, thank you for coming to the channel. Just listening to the rumble of the pipes coming from an ultra classic makes me realize being on this amazing machine allows me to clear my mind and be free, take in the sunset, and conversate with the universe. Each ride should have a purpose, a sense of seeking understanding to build a better tomorrow. Beneath the sunlit canopy, where whispers weave through trees, a sanctuary thrives where the wild hearts wander free. The rivers hum their ancient tune, the earth in quiet grace, a refuge for the fragile ones, a cradle, sacred space. Here nature sings its timeless songs, a symphony so rare. In wildlife parks we glimpse the world we're duty bound to spare.
wanna take you around the world so I can show you that you're perfect. Take you to my old hood where I hit my first lick. Take you around places that I used to go and stomp the ground. Hey now, I wanna take you to my mama's house and show you what she's cooking. Take you to my daddy's house and show you what he's smoking. Take you to my siblings too and show you all the things we do for you, yeah. Now come and ride, baby. Come and take a ride. Tell me that you're gonna ride. Come and ride with me. Hey, now take a ride, baby. Come and take a ride. Baby, come and take a ride. Come and take a ride with me. Hey, I wanna take you down 85 Dracos in the backseat, watching how we bust and have 'em running like a track meet. Take you down 20 Roddy racing in the 70 lane. Hey, I wanna take you uptown where places you ain't never been. Take you downtown cause you know I like to get it in. Paint the town red, me and you doing what we do. It's true. Now come and take a ride. Baby, ride. Come and take a ride with me. Now can you ride, baby? Come and take a ride. Come and take a ride. Baby, take a ride. Baby, come and take a ride. Come and ride with me. Take a ride. Baby, come and take a ride. Baby, come and take a ride. Come and take a ride with me. Yeah. Ride through the backwoods, through the streets, ride through your neighborhoods with my peeps. Ride.
As I reached the Fort Pike Bridge on this short solo trip east on Highway 90, I look around and I can see the marshlands and waterways between New Orleans and Slidell and its serene tapestry of nature, where golden grasses ripple in the breeze and still waters reflect the boundless sky. Here, the quiet hum of life invites you to pause, breathe deeply, and marvel at the tranquil beauty of Louisiana's untamed nature. As I come to a close on this ride, I'm thankful I've had the opportunity to share my ride with you, and I ask for God's grace and protection on our future journeys. Thank you.
Hey, what's up YouTube family? It's the Night Rider, and thank you for coming to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the ride we just went on. We started off in New Orleans and now we're in Slidell. I took you guys through an area that's pretty much marshland, great fishing for anybody who loves to fish. Southeast Louisiana is a sportsman's paradise. So if you're looking for fishing or you're looking for some great locations to just ride, just to see the scenery, we have it here in Southeast Louisiana. Look forward to meeting you guys out there on the roadway, networking and just sharing the experience from the motorcycle community. So looking forward to the next journey, and I'll see you later.